Hi guys, in this video we're going to be talking about anti-graffiti window film, and right now I am in Manhattan. I'm on my way to one of the projects where I need to check the large amount of glass panels, mainly on a street level, that need to be protected from graffiti. This is a little west below West 14th Street, and this area is known for great artists and people who likes to vandalize properties. So that's why I'm here, and let's see what we have. Okay, so this estimate going to be on the High Line. That's the stairs to the High Line. For those who doesn't know, New York, I don't know, it's been probably 5, 6, maybe 10 years ago, they started this new attraction. It calls High Line. It's built on top of the old railroad. I don't know whether it was a subway or something. You can Google it, and if you know, just comment and let me know. What's this? Was it a regular railroad or it's a subway line or something like that? So they build an attraction for tourists. It's kind of like a park on top of that railroad platform, right? And here is the sign. Check it. And they're making money. I would say they're not making money, but they keep this place alive with the help of donations. So donate, there's a hashtag or a QR code on the picture, and you can donate for the High Line if you want. All right, so I'm on top of this High Line, and you see the entrance, and they have a glass that needs to be replaced with anti-graffiti window film. So they have an old film right now. Let's check it. So they have an old film, and you see the condition of the film. It's probably been like this for, he told me, around 5, maybe 6 years. So this is what happens with the anti-graffiti window film. With time, that's, you know, the oxidation, the UV damages it. So they have a very thick, I think it's 1-inch laminated glass, and it needs to be properly protected. That's why they installed initial anti-graffiti window film here, but as you see, it's time to replace it. So this is going to be part of the areas that we need to replace. This staircase, it's, I think, Ganselworth Street entrance, and let's go see the other. So while I'm walking to my other next location on the High Line, I'm gonna just give you a brief what is anti-graffiti window film and why you should use it. So as you probably understand, anti-graffiti window film, it's to protect exterior of your glass. So if you have glass exposed to the, I would say, on the lower levels, on the street level, it could be a storefront, it could be mirrors even in the bathrooms, public bathrooms, and or glass railings like we have here on the High Line. It should be protected from vandals, because vandals, I don't know why would they do glass damage, but in any case, they do it, and somehow we need to protect the glass, because in many cases, 1-inch laminated glass, it's going to be really, really expensive to replace. So anti-graffiti window film, it's like a lifeline for these property owners who need to protect the glass. All right, now I'm going to show you something crazy. So when I used to clean, look at these people, they're looking at something, and look at these, see the ropes over here? We have a window cleaners over there, and nothing's blocked here. People walking, I think these guys should think about blocking the area. If you would hire Total Window Service for this job, we would definitely have a person here, and everything would be barricaded. So this is the life in New York. You walk, you never know who's on top of you. So just be careful, look up as often as you can, and try to avoid any type of areas, whether construction or window cleaning. Just go to the other side of the street. That's my best advice to you, to keep yourself safe, because you never know. All right, so right now I am going closer to the second location where we will need to remove and replace anti-graffiti window film. Same story. We have all this film. You see the condition. The glass is hazy. We're gonna need to do something about these plants over here. Somehow, carefully, we're gonna need to, I don't know, move them to the side. We'll see how we actually gonna do that. Here, we're gonna need to use a scaffold. We can install baker scaffold. I spoke with the manager. They're gonna close the area for us at the time of installation. So this is how it's gonna be. So areas like this, I could walk further. We walk from Ganserwood Street. It's below West 14th Street all the way to 34th Street, Hudson Yards. And these type of entrances every probably 3 or 4 streets. And they also have some cutouts with the glass, and we need to also replace the film over there. So it was very long walk, and honestly, it was kind of like an excursion to see the attractions of New York here on the High Line. Usually I come here with my friends or friends who visited to see the New York, because it's just a nice place to be. But today I had this long walk because it's a part of my job. So that's one of the things that we do here in New York. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, so more people could see my channel, and leave a comment, any comment, even I like, highlight. That would be a really good comment, and it will help this video to move in the world of YouTube. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.